Itching. We all know it. That irresistible urge to scratch. An itch can be a mild annoyance or a maddening torment. Why do we itch? What purpose does this sensation serve? Itching, also known as pruritus, is a complex physiological response. It's a distinct sensory experience, separate from pain or touch. Scientists believe it evolved to protect us. Itching alerts us to potential threats on our skin. The sensation originates in our skin, our body's largest organ. The skin acts as a barrier. It protects us from the outside world. But this barrier is also a target. Insects, plants, and countless irritants can trigger an itch. But sometimes, the cause of an itch is unclear. These mystery itches can be particularly frustrating. They highlight the complex interplay of nerves, chemicals, and our environment in creating this universal sensation. Itching can be triggered by a wide range of factors. Some common culprits include allergies, dry skin, and insect bites. Each trigger sets off a chain reaction in our bodies. Allergies occur when our immune system overreacts to harmless substances. These substances, called allergens, can include pollen, dust mites, and certain foods. When an allergen comes into contact with the skin, it triggers the release of histamine. Dry skin, another common cause of itching, disrupts the skin's protective barrier. This allows irritants to penetrate more easily, leading to inflammation and itching. Dry skin can be caused by factors like cold weather, low humidity, and harsh soaps. Insect bites, such as those from mosquitoes, are notorious itch inducers. Mosquitoes inject saliva into the skin when they bite. This saliva contains anticoagulants, which prevent blood clotting, and proteins that trigger an immune response. The immune system releases histamine and other inflammatory chemicals, leading to the characteristic red, itchy bump. Let's delve deeper into the science behind mosquito bites. These tiny insects are masters of irritation. Their bites are a fascinating example of our body's complex defense mechanisms. When a mosquito bites, it pierces the skin with its proboscis. This needle-like mouthpart injects saliva into the skin. The saliva contains a cocktail of chemicals, including an anticoagulant to keep the blood flowing. Our bodies recognize these foreign substances as invaders. The immune system springs into action, releasing histamine and other inflammatory mediators. Histamine increases blood flow to the area, causing the blood vessels to dilate. This dilation creates the red bump and the sensation of itching. The itching is not from the bite itself, but from our body's reaction to it. This immune response is designed to neutralize the foreign substances and protect us from potential pathogens. Section 4. The itch-scratch cycle. A vicious circle. Itching triggers an almost irresistible urge to scratch. But scratching only provides temporary relief. In fact, it often exacerbates the itch, leading to a vicious cycle. When we scratch, we create a mild pain sensation. This pain signal travels to the brain, temporarily overriding the itch signal. However, scratching also releases more inflammatory mediators, further irritating the skin. This intensifies the itch, leading to more scratching. The itch-scratch cycle is a fascinating example of how our nervous system and immune system interact. It also highlights the importance of breaking the cycle to prevent further skin damage. Section 5. Beyond the bite itching's evolutionary role. Itching is more than just an annoyance. It serves a vital evolutionary purpose. Our skin, the boundary between us and the world, is sensitive. It's how we detect temperature changes, pressure, and pain. Itching adds another layer of protection. Itching alerts us to the presence of potentially harmful substances on our skin. A crawling insect, a stinging plant, or a piece of clothing contaminated with an irritant all trigger an itch, prompting us to remove the offender. In this way, itching helps us avoid danger and maintain the integrity of our skin. It's an ancient defense mechanism, essential for our survival. And yet, for all its importance, itching remains one of life's little mysteries, a persistent reminder of the complex interplay between our bodies and the world around us.